Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal.
Hello.
You guys know her from last year's Halloween.
Yes, indeed.
No, it wasn't last year. Oh my gosh, it was 2 years ago.
Yeah, COVID really screwed us.
Yes, both of us. So you guys know her from the last candy Halloween taste test. And this here is my godson.
Also known as my son.
Yes. And his name is Adrian.
Adrian, say hi. He's a little camera shy.
I know. Are you excited for candy? In general? No? Okay.
Cut.
He's not excited for candy, but I am.
I'm excited for
Crystal
candy.
is too. Okay. So I did things other than candy as well because there wasn't much out there. So you see two of kind of the same cookies. I want to kind of taste these first because one of them is from Trader Joe's and the other one is from Aldi. So I'm going to open it up. We're going to do that one first. We have our little spit buckets. I don't know if we're going to use
Just in case. So Trader Joe's versus Aldi, which one do you prefer?
I like Trader Joe's because they have like a lot of things that you don't see everywhere else.
Okay.
And Aldi tries to kind of like copy them, and that's hence these.
I think Aldi's more affordable, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's super more affordable, but also we bought. I'm not trying to talk shit about Aldi actually. I like Aldi a lot.
Aldi has entered the chat.
But the last few months, they've had like a bunch of recalls in their like chicken and like their like pretty much meat stuff. That's why we're not tasting any meat. But
They almost look exactly the same.
yes,
Literally.
So the one with the actual pumpkin, I don't know if you guys can see, probably not. But the one with the actual pumpkin is Aldi. And the one with like the pumpkin face is Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
Yes.
Okay, so we're doing Trader Joe's first?
Let's do Trader Joe's first,
Okay,
yeah.
so Trader Joe's. Here we go.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Not bad.
Standard Oreo tasting.
Mm-hmm. I
Should
could
not
eat
place
these.
too. Yeah.
So now we have Aldi. Oh, hold on.
It's so hard.
Aldi.
The flavor's not there. It's super hard as hell.
It's like a rock.
Yeah. Okay, Trader Joe's wins.
Yeah.
100%.
Hands down.
Like, there's not even a competition. What do you think, Adrian?
What's the difference?
Keeping us real here,
Yeah.
Adrian. He's like really.
He's 13, by the way, so all cookies are good cookies to him. If you have veneers or a crown, do not eat the Aldi cookie because you will lose that shit in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
It's. Hi.
Do you want to choose the next one?
What do you want to do?
Ooh, this one.
Boogers. Yeah, no, we're tasting the boogers. Sour box of boogers. It's supposed to be a gummy
Yum.
boogie.
So there's 3 different flavors. Apparently there is Snotter Melon, Sour Green Boogie, and Slime Apple. We love a good booger. Featuring Zeus.
It's not for you.
I guess I do the 3 different flavors, right?
Oh, yes.
So the dark green one is Snotter Melon. So we'll
Okay.
start with that one. Oh.
Oh, they're really sour. But they're really good.
Yeah.
Did you already? Oh my god.
He's like, I don't understand why the hell we're waiting.
Oh, yellow?
Okay,
What's it?
Slime Apple.
Oh my god. That one's even worse.
Oh.
Wow.
That one's hard to get down. The last one, Sour Green Boogie.
That one's actually good.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
That one is.
These are good.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
I agree. Since we're in the sour, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Sour Patch Kid Zombie.
Oh, zombie.
All right. Does it matter which one? No.
Oops, I put the grape in.
Okay.
Oh, I like it.
Oh yeah, that's good.
You can't go wrong with Sour Patch Kids. Like, literally, you can't.
Oh, that one's raspberry.
Ah. Orange one is orange.
Yeah? That's good.
It tastes like those old-fashioned orange slices. Those candies. Have you ever had that? So good.
Yeah. So these we recommend as well. You want to choose one, Crystal?
I'll go with this. I don't know what this is, but it's catching my eye.
It's a ghost candy apple. Oh, you can.
Oh,
actually,
it's like Pop Rocks.
Looks okay.
Ding, ding, ding.
I don't think we want to share a dippable pop.
We're vaccinated.
I know.
This is cute though. It's cute to put in like a little like goodie bag, or if you're gonna give it to your friends if you like them that much.
Yeah, like even for trick or treaters, I feel like this would be cute.
If
Are you
like
gonna give out
neighbors.
candy?
Yeah, we actually have neighbors that are like competing. Yeah, their whole house is like circus theme, and that's what we're doing this year. We're doing Carnival. So
Wait,
stay
they're
tuned.
competing against you?
Yeah, they're buying like a lot of stuff, and I'm not putting things out until like it gets closer.
You're not.
Yeah, because I'm gonna be like, bam,
Competition.
done. Yeah, I win. So it has a little sucker, so cute.
It's like a little
So cute.
pumpkin.
All right, let's try this. Okay, I'm not a fan of the lollipop.
Yeah, it's kind of
Too artificially sweetened.
I was gonna say it's kind of blah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Okay. It's Pop Rocks, yeah.
Okay, I gotta say it's not as pop rocky as Pop Rocks. It's like a discount pop.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the rock with no pop type of deal. It's okay though. Where did we get this at?
Guess.
Aldi.
Dollar Tree.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, they don't have. So all like grocery stores have like the.
You're just downing it.
They have the regular like chocolate and stuff like that for Halloween. None of them have like weird stuff, so that's why 99-cent store and Dollar Tree usually have weird snacks. Let's try these. These are another cookie. These are pumpkin spice.
Ooh.
Do you like pumpkin spice?
I do. I love anything pumpkin.
Okay.
What brand is it? Little.
It's not little. It's Lil. Lil Dutch Maine. Guess where I got these?
I'm done. Is this Dollar Tree or 99-cent store?
It's 99-cent.
Yeah.
That will never change. Every single Halloween candy taste test I've ever done is 99-cent store or Dollar Tree.
We're gonna enter the GoFundMe at this point.
Subscribe and make my
We
channel
can get
bigger.
regular name brand snacks, please.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna start donating.
You know what? I have one name brand. Kool-Aid. Oh, and Sour Patch Kids. There you go. There's your name brand.
But you're a He's like, buffet. Shut up. Stop talking. Let's eat.
What does this taste like?
Not pumpkin spice.
Vanilla and cinnamon.
It tastes like a vanilla cookie.
Yeah, it's not really pumpkin spice.
There's nothing pumpkin about it.
I
We
don't-
tried.
I don't dig it.
That would be a no.
We have two left. All right. This is candy corn cotton candy,
Ooh.
straight from Dollar Tree. Okay. Nothing. Literally no smell, zero smell.
I'm leaving.
I'll take it.
Stick it.
There's no flavor to it.
There's.
It's just sugar.
Yeah.
All right, we have one last one, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, this is the last one. So this is Cowtails.
Oh.
I thought these were lollipops.
No, they're cowtails.
What are Cowtails?
They're like the little caramel ones. You never had one?
No.
Okay. My show now. Cowtails.
Tell us about Cowtails.
They've been around forever. Literally. They have different flavors too.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. See, it's like a little caramel. Oh, it smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah. These should be good if they're not.
It's like apple.
Yeah, so it has like the caramel on the outside and then filling on the inside. So, see. Of course, he's already done with it.
He's like, oh, ew. It's supposed to be red on the inside because of the apple.
Yeah, Jesus is actively bleeding.
So, when you bite it, there's like liquid inside of it. Is that normal for Cowtails? Or
No.
is it just an expert Cowtail
Actually, no
expert?
liquids whatsoever.
It's like leaking red. Is there blood in it?
Yeah. It's okay. It's not. I think I'm just used to the original flavor.
What's the original flavor?
It's just like caramel.
Yeah, this is interesting. I've never had this before.
Don't you guys have cowtails? Like, I really want to know. I cannot be the only person that's ate cowtails.
Let us know if you had a cowtail.
Seriously.
I've never had one.
You're gonna get like one person that's like, she's tripping.
Adrian, which one was your favorite? Obviously.
Clearly, he has a favorite. He has a type.
Okay, so boogers were. Oh, we have one more. Is that what you were
She
saying?
lied.
There was-
Oh, yeah. Oh, with the Kool-Aid.
So this is Scary Berry. They come in little packs like this.
Oh, that is weird. It looks like a Kool-Aid packet. It's not the drink. It's designed to be eaten as
Pop-Tarts?
candy. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Wait, what is your favorite candy, Adrian? Like of all time?
I don't know.
Do you like chocolate more? Or do you like fruity flavor stuff?
I think chocolate.
Chocolate? Is it better than the other one?
It definitely has more
Stronger?
pop, for sure. It might have too much pop.
Oh. But it tastes like you're drinking Kool-Aid.
Yeah, it does. It tastes exactly like grape Kool-Aid.
Oh, yeah. That's loud.
We should do ASMR.
Oh my god.
There goes my crown.
I was like, what is that sound?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Better
Okay.
than this bad boy over here. That's for sure.
So which one was your favorite, Crystal?
Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah.
Hands down. Yeah.
The boogers and I mean even the cookies were kind of a letdown. The cookies were okay. Like they're just like regular Oreos.
Yeah. Least favorite was probably the pumpkin spice cookies. It was a complete hit. I mean, a miss.
Hit?
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't spend $1 on those cookies. Sorry, no shade. No shade, Innocent Store, but
No shade,
yeah.
Little Dutch Maid.
Yeah, little Dutch maid.
Well, I think that's it. I enjoyed doing this video this year again.
Yay.
And Adrian was, here this time. Yeah, last time you were in it. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.